Hello everybody. Well, by popular request, we've been getting into doing these cool production knives for this fall season. I got a couple of them here, and I had several of you guys ask about, in addition to the flick and flabber, exactly how I was grinding these. Now look, that's a 36 grit grind. You know, if I were a self-respecting knife maker, man, that would be down to 1,000 hand polished with water stones, and I would never sell it because it'd be too damned expensive. So the thing is, though, you want to be able to do good work quickly, and the tools that let you do that, are important. Now, the fact is, I have been freehanding grinds for over 20 years, and I can do a good job freehand. But the thing is that it sucks. There's a lot of room for error. And the thing is, if you can hand somebody a jig to do a grind that's that good looking, you can make some money with it. So let's take a look at what we've got. And what I've got is super stupid simple. Now, this is my grinding jig. This is a piece of 2" by 1/4 angle iron, and you want to talk about just crap jury rigged. This is the definition. So what we have here on the sides, I have 2 tapped holes, not even laid out, just kind of where I put them, and that controls one socket head screw that's got a washer really crappily welded to it, and that acts to actually hold the blade. And then I have one piece here in these holes that are not tapped. It's just got a nut on the back of it to act as a blade rest. So let's take a blade like this, and it just fits in here. And hang on, this is one-handed crapola here, so you just hang tight. Nope, I got it. You know, momento por favor. And still fighting mosquitoes. They're bad out here, folks. Okay, there we go. So you can see that just grabs it right there. Sorry, still fighting mosquito. You can see it grabs it right here, and that just acts as a rest. And if you look right here, you can see there's a slight angle to it, and this does the job. Now, in a normal circumstance, what's going to happen is you're going to have a hinge plate right here, and then you're going to have these little screws over here, and this is actually tapped, so these are actually locking nuts. This will raise up and down to adjust. Now, in my case, since I'm using the same thickness material for all of this, which is 1/8 of an inch, I wanted to be able to, what I did not want is I did not want these screws down here just hanging loose by themselves, because if they are there, when it gets to here, it falls off and it messes up your grind. So I made sure I had the right angle that I wanted, and then I just welded a piece of flat 2" by 1/4 inch to the bottom here. That's it. That is just it in all its glorious crappiness. However, I want you to understand something, that even though that is a craptastic build, it holds the right angle that I want, and it allows me, because I've designed my knives in a way, it allows me to do perfect grinds on a booty ton of knives. All the grinds are very acceptable. Ba-blam, right? So that's what you want to look for. Let's go over here. Not only that, let's cut on this light right here. Check out this entire box of awesomeness. Again, just knife after knife. Now, if you want to do super special work, that is fine. If you want to do super unique stuff and try to sell a knife for $1,000, fine. But I don't have a 501k, I don't have a trust fund, and I do not have a wealthy girlfriend. So the trick is I need to be able to produce a good quality knife that does the job, that looks like somebody reasonably professionally did it, and that's exactly what those jigs do. So, jig it out. See you guys.